happening. So basic classes to current affairs to kind of basic subject to topics ma'am do aduga koina mirror to chani. Say for example ko basic subjects da uji koina torisi economy gida human resources toribuni ko. So dana we will be mirror kind of da koina mirror to chani human resources gida ko, like population yibo oiro, education oiro, health oiro, see the current affairs ke yaugin ko, so that masagi koina structure ama laina bani koina current affairs torido structure ama laina bani aduga masagi concept ama laina bani ko blind to wona te topic lokalaga ko. So dana nahana koina to give do kaina nahana koina last class ki koina current affairs ki class to give do koina notice ki, yeah. So notice ki koina environment ki dune koina to give do. So notice the protected areas ma'am koina yengre, there are 4 protected areas ko, had the 4 types ko, a national park, wildlife sanctuaries, the conservation conservation area and community reserve, something like that, right? Correct. Community reserve kamana keba conservation conservation area, something like that. Okay, so see ma'am je kai lege have do dana no the theo higre at last the toroga at the dating sagi yeah, conservation reserve ko, conservation reserve, community reserve ko, conservation reserve, see protected areas ma'am the use ko, so aina noida see ma'am je kai the lay theo and higre kai special over magi species ma'am the special over theo higre ko. So when I sit of this kind of hamatams the when north is key ka no when see tigre ka chorna canon kangre ka when hunted to this kind of hamatams da ngasi the gi haying chipovasum ye to this ka pain hamatams da north is the gi when environment news kai yawi aduga environment news or when elaborate in a pado koto kush late kang badi when yai but exam gi in a manung sit na hang pada keno ngai ko mi ma yawi at male na res se ka. So one thing changan easy ka. So environment ki when your topic ma'am do when heta manung titlaga discuss to do dinate, but yes general and the kangadam kai topic no call because notice ki environment ki matang da when current affairs and therapy ka aduga exam oriented oiba question nama ihalakani dana ka exam oriented oiba question nama site ihalakani adu do khumgani ka, but adu question do when blind da when pawe yaroi adu question do when blind da pawe yaroi, but context amaga natraga asagi koina magi da structure amaga concept ngo mai lena gadani ko. So if say our class ko, yeah, so sini dan hining ba ko ano yaw ma'am. So now how we do current affairs ano yaw ma'am do you will get it eventually, right? So to ko so aina handaki handaki notice ki current affairs se chahi 2021 then 2022 woki yeng pa matam sta there are some important aspects kaya ko topic kaya ko. So dana thing na topics ma'am da aham da koina manipura landslide thok ki ko landslide thok aga mi 60 c ko 60 that's it. So MPSC question da simple in hang pe ai ko manipur ki landslides thok aga mi 60 c do koina kari district no aduga kari district no aduga asai koina magi even kitang ka luna changa da magi main reasons kaino hang pe ko sige je koina none district to oi ko none district to oi aduga asai koina landslide thopagi maram je koina article ira ko matam jida main reason je kai ora ken hai matam jida asai koina railway construction je koina ching jida koina slope sabdu ko adugi slope sabdu ina maram yam major oirami. So na none gi district ja koina railway railway ki tunnel ki slope sabdu da asai koina atopa maram yam punjalaga slope saba slope to koina magi boundary loi leramba adagi di extensive slope kakthaba hadi hana koina survey ke ka pajan tahuktawa adagi koina water logging ke ka tawurme oi hai. So see articles ne koina parise. So question yo ina di asai koina kari district no ne am simple oina question hang pe adu kitang revision tahudaba pahudaba confused pe yauni adagi ne ka ana railway ki slope sabda tawe aduga even railway station ke ka bu mangal den hai ko railway ki tunnel to ko pagi slope sabda ka sig is the man article je palam je kai kai palam ke hamatam sida jiribam to pull Imphal railway je palam. So na sigi topic sida koina lokhat pe ava current affairs ti sigi jiribam to pull Imphal railway sinika. So all the basics were there. 111 kilometers district manga fawa ko karam district fawa si dino ni yengo ko Imphal West loi ni ko so Imphal West loi ni Jiribam de hor kan da ko Tamenglong Tupul ke ka fawa da ko adagi di akoina next akoina kai yeng ba sida akoina khangadab se kaino hadi magi ya ko mai lama le ko attention so magi tunnel gi oiba poche akoina 111 kilometers sida tunnel is around 60 kilometers ki length se khamba tunnel oiba ko sigida longest tunnel is something around 10 kilometers na oiba ko so na lots and lots of tilling the hills okay so na landslide ki problem tolopi haina maina hai ko sigis so almaina topics is waina kitang isolated oini but koina maram di char tong ne ko so du ko la yeng ke ko I just cannot tautre boy the tautre ipad the tautre ka so sigis ko so sigis da koina jupul none gi da 60 people sigre it is a combination of factors okay combination of factors is kanada combination of factors ta koina sigi landslide to thokibani aduga nasagi koina landslide thokpagi magi main reason je kaino main reason se koina piba matam sida extensive slope cut for the construction of railway station ni aduga atopa maram maps like presence of break in the slope ka ada sigi jamna interesting oi report ma tholei sida ngasagi koina sigi topic si tampo matam sida nangna Jiribam Tupul Imphal railway gi matangda pawa yaba nang pahodam information map se district kya da pawi kilometer kya sangi or even ngasagi koina 62 kilometers of tunnel je khama adi ngasagi koina 111 kilometers do yawi ka aduga sida koina sigi landslide thokpo sida koina yeng matam da pot ama yawi ka yam manung sa sida paslubai da ka oide sidi koina north east ki kadi thoige hal da koina tamak pani ka so national landslide susceptibility mapping da ka mapping 2019 da asagi huziki none district to if khamra highly susceptible zone the chingeba susceptible zone the chingeba so si ma koina khangbe ka adu yamna khangbai da ka oide sida ka but yeah we should know like karamba district the thokpano aduga mai leina railway station gi slope cutting the thokpana harni na Jiribam Tupul Imphal railway gi ja no adum padi parangani but atai pabduna context amani sigi pabdadi kasagi koina sigi accident siga mai leina koina thokane ka adu so koina yengisi kaino always remember notice the karamba environmental issues to karamba koina khangjan be so environmental issues ama koina yengpa matam sida normally koina discuss to matam sida yamne hen important oi da ko khangjan bai de dum kana ba exam gi yam important oi da but manung da kari yaurige exam gi haibudo adu du ne koina we should have an eye for it aduga aina manung da yaud den loktho tak targadi loktho question piraga lotion gi targadi probably you the context yaudaba structure yaudaba adagi de koina phaboi lakpoi oi ne ko adudi da pam de ko so next topic koina hujiki do topic number 1 ni ko koina notice ki 2021 dena 2022 boxida North East ta karamba significant oiba environmental gi issues lay karamba environmental gi topics lay haduni ko ni yengi ko so North East ta 2020 21 2022 the thokpada one of the most important thing was landslide okay Manipur thoga 60 sig ko worldwide attention fangi koina kari gi thokpano kotpano haibi ai railway sabagi ni na railway gi matang di yengam bon koina national landslide susceptibility 2019 hangakadra the chance is very less. It will not ask, okay? But you should know about the Jiribam Tupul Imphal railway, okay? In details, okay? Okay. Next topic that quite important about Ramsar web Canada wetland amatenani. So sigi topic is starting at the down question and beginning had the MPSC lang previous society jaitai. At least go. So see MPSC question OBI ko swine but context to dine hack ko so swine iyo ko the Ramsar site ko Dipur bill is located in A the Meghalaya, B the Assam, C the Tripura, D the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, should the answer. Nancy Nanyamani. Okay. Yeah, see the kana Lambiauri. Okay, okay. Okay, Nasilak Pini. Yeah. Yeah, the answer is B. Okay, so answer is B. C is your. So see interesting topic ama dana thing see environmental issues the ko. So topic tu na ama nebo ko. Ado question no thupa ya na ama nebo ko. It is completely different, you know. But I na see is deport bidang chan pira maga lucian gita agadi ko. Probably you will have to buy out. Okay, see deport bill di ko. So deport bill the article yamna negative article am yori ko. Hadi ma si Assam gi ko. Deport bill si Assam gi only Ramsar site wetland never masiko. Only Ramsar site Canada wetland never masiko. Only only Ramsar site wetlands the poor building. So it is very important and very significant for the state. Okay, but kaidogena hamatam sida asagi Guwahati manak wide lay kotpa adagidi koina municipal gi garbage dumps complete toxin badagi khamra sigi struck kanoja sigi wetlands completely akoina destruction oidoreba to the yamthina the danger oireba to the point that nasagi akoina NGT National Green Tribunals wo yaureba so si yaur kanda akoina solve tongno kana toreba manung che thina khanjilu bai daga oide just na khangadoidi Assam gi only only Ramsar site only Ramsar wetland da Assam gi only Ramsar wetland deport bills da akoina municipal gi waste ma'am and garbage management je tawdawdagi the wetland is going to be completely destroyed. So it is kind of raising an alarm amongst the environmentalists and among the environmental departments. NGT na changa kanda nasagi akoina sigi wetlands akoina kannaba natraga nasagi safeguards pinaba tawriba so sigi pochine dana yamna kupna highway da ka kari safeguard pinaba tawri it's all the natural thing. Okay, but yeah, Deportville is in crisis aduga sigi de akoina exam gi oina lothokpa yabdi kaina Deportville suguma question MPSC lothokpa aduga noina si tawringa is de kai pani khambra NGT matang na pahugadaw ko NGT matang so kay chahida oy ki state body magi power kay lay chairman kamay na khalli kanana khalli si ma'am ko si topic si pahugadaw ko aduga ano we always sing yo topic khadi swaina tawani topic khana concept oina sang na takani class amani gyan tayo na ko so don't worry about it. Okay, koy kay na first class si statistic oide aduga topic ki makha poli subject ki makha poli ko so ngasi gi de koina environment ki Northeast 2020-2021-2022 da environment ki kari thoke have the koina chart ne yang panika so next the koina Deportville is important no ko series adu NGT pa ho ya ko series adagi de koina third topic da ka third topic da ana yam isolated oirakani amana tak kanba but akoina sida akoina kari concept sembe kari structure sembe kari basic picture sembe ya hai targeti we can do this. Okay ngasi akoina tawrise 2020-2021-2022 da thokiba important oiba Northeast the environmental issues natraga environmental topics ma'am duni hena mai khan be ka so here also we will start with a question. Okay, and see question ma'am MPSC hang pa aba question ngatani ko see question ma'am ko MPSC hang pa aba question ngatani ko this one. Okay, in which state of Northeast region is the mountains located? CP answer hack the courts of okay, Meghalaya, Assam, C, Tripura, B, Mizoram. Okay, in which state of Northeast region is the famous option back MPSC standard name famous Blue Mountains located? Okay, take a shot. Okay, Naresh aduga Susma, you can also try. That is not a problem. Moidi okay, environment ki see this is the second class. Okay, Northeast ki probably that is why they must have found it. Yeah, so then khang jagana any ro hadi khang the man do not attempt any ro khang you have to try, you have to write. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, So yeah, so these blue mountains, they are in the Canada. They are the famous mountains of Mizoram, right? So even sida koina luna hangbe ai sai koina patkai bum lusai dagidi amaina ko hangapum matamda karamba no state hangdabida ko koina north east ki koina swain yeng ko matamjida state hangdabida sona kandagi laaga hill ranges ma'am lebido ko patkai bum lusai sada kaba mikir hills kan lebido ko adugumba ranges ta koina kano to yai ko yeah nares so city when a basics ki geography ge juka mai lene so we'll catch it up okay we kana da when am kana khanju da ko so see articles ji kai da yaw kimna see articles ji kai da yaw kimna hai matam science and tech ka katang mai lene yaw kimne ko environment science and tech ka so diatoms na yam mun chang we da ka ide diatoms ma'am si koina blue mountain da phangni khotli ana researchers ma'am la ga thijilli mai kana ko ma'am se so aduduna yam unique oiba magi structure am le mi atopong hom da phangdawa mai tor yaw kimne ko diatoms kaino khangbai de da ka ide khangninga de you guys can go for it okay sigis ana blue mountain si matang da akoina swaina MPSC question de swaina hang pe so assume macha factual akoina hek khangjalu da pasalu da yeng ka di khanggiba si ma'am akoina revise to boina si topic ma'am ji lokal pe ko so blue mountain ji matang je akoina kitang kha elaborate to be ai ko si mountain je akoina see here and check the bottom niko from POA ko this is the highest mountain peak highest mountain peak in the Mizo Hills ko Mizo Hills is the highest mountain peaks oi aduga Mizo Hills di kaino Lusai Hills ko Siumam ko so my height kya oi something like 2157 meter oi ko ko so now expect anything and everything. Read the micro, read the macro, read the small things, read the big things, okay? So they may ask you, so I know MPSC. So what we are doing is this one. Topics in important already. Pakagi MPSC like kamina pani had an important already. So how about this one? See paring as the society at last factor. Notice the quite wangba mountain kind of mountain range spam do magi descending order the EU, ascending order the EU. Or single highest mountain quite the one with the Karamana Kotpano can die and Himalayan system the other mountain Karamanaka had the peninsula on the Ilakpaka Kya Wangi Kya Nemiko and Manipuri the quite the one with the Karamana at sea ma'am Japan Kangbaya can die so do Anna don't just stick to what I'm teaching here not class the oil approach always extend the boundaries then give related ma'am to extend over so that is how you cannot you can prepare meaningfully and exam-oriented way. Adu yam chong na park panina ko. Yung sinang si Blue Mountain si Lusai ni kangre, Lusai Hills level magi highest peak to ni kangre 2157 cm. So naturally noida tendency mo thopom to notice the mountain ma'am si kyang wang jano. Quite the name is ni kram quite the wang si kram state like. Kanana China recently. These are the things which you need to do for MPSC oriented preparation. Okay, China hangjilak pe ayabo and sigumba question luwa haje ma'am sida kanam tawnar oybo ko kaino da swaina pa ki dramina swaina thi ki ba pa ki ba haywa revision to the york do ma'am se noi sinene question amani so na when UPSC preparation the prelims preparation the hainam like alive question jidi everyone knows it does not count that much nang lalanda lawyer do ko ma'am tawnar do question ji tawje sizine when prelims khan ba prelims khan ban haje ko so that is what so na si question ji hangpo matam ji probably they may be able to answer this one but it will be tough for them for many of the students to answer this one. Notice ki mountain range ki descending order, ascending order, and state ka may kanodo link to ka. It can be asked in various ways. Okay, question the mountain ki magi ascending order, descending order according to the height ka. Karam na kaino mountain to piraga match with the following states ka. These are the things, okay? So see ma'am siko. Ana ako na mock ta hangi kali ju see ma'am siko. Ana mock ta uju siko na. Usik mock question siya mo tadi. We don't have anything. We don't have any clue. Normal level factual level siya makani mo ko. Ati ti mo pangaga. Class to roga mock question siya mo da. Ako din nuwaya ko. We have the context. We have the asay ako da. Kay siya do no kay hang do no have siya ako da expand to level ko. So that is why we are keeping mocks later on, okay? Ka message ta is na. Okay. Yeah, so see question jam le ko si na khan ngai le daitongi research to we have ni Blue Mountain do u da ina pick up to ni ado aina just Blue Mountain ji kai le no hangalution gi ta ga di nothing much okay kai Blue Mountain gi to khoi tama ino daitoms ki research to we science and tech ki adu du ni ko so next question ngai yo next ki khoina fourth topics ta okay si dikhal lo rani ko I think it should be there in your nang no paro current affairs to no paro current affairs see yoram draba thena gidraba then no current affairs to kana draba current affairs to okay the famous declaration the famous declaration is associated with kana she tired and coming karaga was the a the Arunachal Pradesh. Answer ko makaniko. Option answer question E. Assam. C. Sikkim. D. The. Yeah, right. Yeah. Nagaland. Okay. The famous Pakke Declaration is associated with which of the is associated with which state? Okay. Answer should answer. Slash katok thare ko party je ka. Yes, katok thare. Okay. Yeah. So this today this only so like yeah, I found this article about this Pakke declaration. Okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So Patrick now. So what happened here is that Pakke declaration is this one Canada Tiger Reserve ka adi Canada Pakke Tiger Reserve ki the labor economic. So si hangadi swain hangadi ka sidagi step mo sa hangadi river associated with Pakke Tiger Reserve. Anyone get any idea? What is the river associated with the Pakke Tiger Canada Reserve, which was famous for the Pakke Declaration? BR? What is BR? Brahmaputra? Yeah. A specific river. Okay. Are you going to say every other river associated with Brahmaputra? No, it is Kameng River. Okay. So it's like a picture. I'm gathering that. I could borrow my review tires. Review form deduction. Because I review a little Mazumandi. Yeah, it is associated with the Kameng River. Okay. So Kameng River na sige Pakke Tiger Reserve sa the power ko. So that is it. Okay. So this one. Okay. Yeah. Natlem ko ay makalam ko mugi ko. Ay makalam to. Kanang to hire. Where's the cry? Where's the video? Yeah, it was my father with his radio. Ishay duda atopa ishay sakpa malaktra ko adi ishay radio lak pa ishay din to lemi do. So my radio ngawjam ni ko. Yeah. So this patke declaration Arunachal Pradesh ki ngasai gi akoina kanoda patke si je akoina ko yeah sigi patke declaration je magi full form je akoina kai kawi patke tiger reserve 2047 declaration on climate change resilient and responsive Arunachal Pradesh na ko sees asang bapat ke declaration ko nothing like that. Okay, so climate change the kamaina range the responsive oiduna Arunachal Pradesh the kamaina ready lay do na ko cabinet china masagi patke tiger reserve si chatlaga masagi si declaration je tawwa natra cabinet ni pam phamaga si declaration je tawwa sine ko ado si poche si poche ko na karam article le thenge article je si article je thenge ko Arunachal Pradesh ta hydroelectric power sabasida hydroelectric powers ki saba mayam sida ngasagi people gi against the people gi natraga civil society organizations na reflect hangal ko regarding the environment and regarding the ecosystem gi matang da ko aduna adu article ithare ko article ji ithare Arunachal Pradesh ta hydroelectric power potential mayam lay big dams mayam sano na ri ko say for example si akoin khangram ni se Italian da yeah si akoin khangram ni se ko Italian hydroelectric project ko Italian hydroelectric project ko mok to yaw ham ni ko like 3997 megawatt ki je akoina Dibang Valley da Dibang River da akoina sage na tori sage tori aduga si sage to ma'am sida Arunachal Pradesh ki na environmental ki issue sek lak matam da hydroelectric issues am acho pot am ne ko so e article kai hai hai matam sida koina pakke declaration je koina da Arunachal Pradesh ki government ki cabinet na pass to give declaration ni hadi magi sagi climate change ka aduga sagi environment ki resilient responsive oiba Arunachal Pradesh ki je hane ko so magi du da yaw hangdi hangoi Arunachal Pradesh ki mogi civil service exam di hang pe 5 themes yawi 5 themes da koina environment forest and climate change so sidi no horen to jero ko health welfare and adu sustainable adopting lifestyle ko manga yawi ko adagi even 5 themes na tawa declaration ji da kai kai yawge have the protecting forest cover restoring upgraded forest ko reducing health adu da adagi ding sai adopting irrigation measures ko si ma'am yawi ko patke declaration da hangoi patke declaration da kai kai yawge du di ko just patke declaration ji karamba da lay karamba state hang pi ji ko aduga patke tiger reserve yawni na tiger reserve to power ga cheliba river do kai karamba river no hang pi or it can ask like this Kameng River na sigi tiger reserve si the power sigi reserve sigi protected area si the power ga cheli and sigi reserve si lowroga declaration famous declaration for Arunachal matauki so what is it and mine hang pe ko so sigi ko so adu duni ko so sigi articles je khoina kai da irak pano hai matam sida Arunachal Pradesh ta ngasagi hydroelectric power ma'am ki potential realize tor ko shana hona du to ko ana hydroelectric power si shana hona pachda environment ki ministry gi ngasai gi khoina forest advisory committee ko si important no si na pa do ko forest advisory committee na masi forest clearance ki aya pi khre ko forest clearance ki aya pi khre ko forest advisory committee ji kaino na MPSC da di yo gudra khangde but UPSC gi da di forest advisory committee gi magi maram matang khang ba it is very important. Okay, so forest advisory committee na forest clearance ki aya pi khre hydroelectric power ma'am sabagi ko so the article was about patke declaration ga si ka kamaina da chusin na ba ya doino natre kamain opposition da chatlino aduga ngasagi khoina dams ma'am jing sagi people and civil society organization opposed to reason so what is the sustainable solution to it ko aduga mana jupi ngasagi achoba dam sawi mo ta khoina small hydroelectric saraga ngasagi khoina seismic and environmental factors to yenga sawi hina fani ko so there was the ngasagi khoina da sigi patke declaration ga mai lena buduni ko aduga number 4 ki demo so notice the environmental issues ma'am thoiko Manipur oigera natraga any part of the northeast ko environmental ma'am sida koina thengna poram dilai common ne poram dilai ko so developmental works ma'am na biodiversity mangda halakpa climate change ma'am na ngasagi notice ki anything da rainfall do oigera flood do oigera drop do oigera adum thengna ba aduga biodiversity mangba adedi development biodiversity mangba climate change ki impact adagidi ngasagi koina magi protected areas anova issues to khotpa common noiba theme oyeba ko north east thokpa issues ma'am ka north east thokpa chahi khuding gi thokpa da koina miss to ya da north east ki hadi issue amadi kaina ha matam da assam gi flood chineba ko assam gi flood chika si assam gi flood sida koina technically oyba kashu yaude hadi tamningai kashu yaude ko but sida important oyba hadi port amatang yawe ko aduga akoina prelims ki oina kai padoino habdi sidagi yaw lakaneba ko so na chahi amdana na north east kari kari environmental issues thoke ni yeng matam da assam gi flood se soina yaudrom ni ko six da koina national flood commission nam thengnai national flood commission ko hindi dana kaina rashtriya bark ayokana rashtriya bark ayokana ko bar ji yaude rashtriya bar ayokana ko sina mana kai hagi ha matam sida it calculates assam gi ko 39.58% of total area of assam 39.58% of total area of the assam je khamra flood prone boy anything ne ko so si pot ne theng ne je ko aduga si pot ne si matang sida ne man e je ko chai wedding swain thok lei pre monsoon da swain thoi aduga monsoon matam da swain thoi hadakti climate change the influence of rainfall the 93% heli 83% of the normal heli aduga tane thoi je ko so adu ma'am do prelims da kemta kana yaw kemta oi yaw de ko aina sidagi koina north east gi koina sigi topic si pa matam da dana MPSC gi relevant kai ohining gi ha matam sida disaster management di da flood se north east ki da ai ohining north east ki mak natrasu manipur se flood ki matang da kyamna prone oi gi ha ji khangan ni dana because manipur su handakti thokte nan thokte but adi moang de flood jam thoga thobal turen kai dore lilong da du yog dore na khoi coaching channel to phangi na ko so sigi topic sida khoi ni yeng pa yab sida disaster management on flood se yeng pa north east ki as well as manipur ki ko so national flood commission na assam je to 39.58% of the total area of assam je flood prone oi hai ko how about manipur ki flood prone area se kan hangjel pe ai ko how many area of the how much total area of manipur is flood prone according to the national flood commission so this is what you have to find after the class okay so same with you dana si topic se pare ngai da to ni ko aduga ngasa khon si to de topic ma'am se hanjel yeng matam da ko anobam to oi roi ko notice da khoina common noina hadi thokpa ngasa gi khoina environmental issues ma'am do oi ko adum ko adu so next de khoina canada next ki kano topic de next topic de khoina important oiba environmental concept matam ni ko the concept of black carbon na ko it has been in the news ko black carbon ji ko aduga UPSC da yam important report namni UPSC da ji greenhouse gases si kaino hangje ko adu matam loire UPSC da hangi ji kaino ano ba asagi climate change da impact to report ma'am se and black carbon ji amni ko khoi nam pa gi de hindu de gi pa gi de kai pai black carbon ji na asagi himalaya gi kaino da glaciers ma'am de act toga yam thuna asagi glaciers se kaino da handa hali natraga mai lang tholi adu pa ga koina heat trap to ngam ko so black carbon je koina north east context jo koina yaw hore ko so black carbon di north east context ka mai yaw gen ha matam sida north east ta ngasagi koina kedogi ha matam sida severe rainfall tholiba adagi di kaino akoina low intensity rainfall thoiba matam severe aduga severe rainfall achoba thok matam dana severe ohenba ka rainfall achoba thok matam dana severe ohenba aduga low intensity rainfall thok matam dana shorten ohenba se koina black carbon ga mai lainare na thengnei ko so na pakhagi oni di kaino black carbon ji important na ko so black carbon di akoina khar khanggadabdi magi sources khangbe ai ko kadai de tholok sources no man made la natural da natural sources la si akoina khangbe ai ko MPSC or UPSC ki prelims ki point of view degi ko aju adegi next akoina yeng du si kaino black carbon how is it associated with climate change is it like greenhouse gases some oil record pra si je koina yeng be ko so na si gi ani ja concept ani ja dana to dring ai dana question umtang ige si question ji ko kumbang am beng ko which of the following is or are the sources of black carbon okay one da asagi yeah fossil fuels two the biofuels three the biomass four the wildfires. Wildfires. Which of the options are? 1 only, B the 1, 2, and 4 only, C the 1, 3, and 4 only, D the 1 and 4 only. So have a shot. Which of the following is or are the sources of black carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fossil fuels, biofuels, biomass, wildfire. Ako, ako. Answer here, kino. That option is I'm general. Yeah, the option E, the all of the above. Yeah, sorry. So you can change your answers, you know. I have put another option E, you know, all of the above. I may be tricking all of you, you know, with adding another option, you know. Yeah, you can expect that MPSC or UPSC is going to trick you. So be careful, right? So query Rebecca, query matung answer thare. So she is pretty confident that it is 1, 3, and 4. You know. Okay. So the answer is all of the above. Okay. So you may think that like biofuel is good and everything. Okay, but black carbon incomplete burning of all these three, fossil fuel, biofuels, and biomass, are sources of black carbon. Okay, natural sources wildfires. So you keep in mind. Okay, biofuels is incomplete nang burning torawa machine natraga vehicle it's going to produce black carbon. Okay, so now black carbon is why produced with natural sources as well as man-made sources. Black carbon concept black carbon concept it is like million times more greenhouse gas greenhouse effect than carbon dioxide, more than 1,000,000 times. But it is short-lived in the atmosphere in terms of days or months, not in terms of years. Short-lived even though it is like 1,000,000 times more potent than carbon dioxide to cause greenhouse gases. Okay, so heat trapping carbon dioxide heli 1,000,000 times more heli, but it is short-lived quantity impact but black carbon impact even though it is short-lived in terms of days and months, it is creating so much havoc in the Himalayan ecosystem and the northeastern environment, rainfall pattern ecosystem is the oil, and it is aerosols also. Black carbon aerosols air the suspended oil, and it is said that some of the black carbons from which is produced in this one UP travels to northeast and cause serious environmental issues. So series on the black carbon. So on the black carbon, it is in the news. Northeast associate or the Himalayan rivers, glaciers associate harmony. So they may ask this as a environmental question. And who knows? MPS environmental question environmentalist Northeast maming chatpa environmentalism the same way probably they can pick it up. Okay, so when the question but important topic notice the trace so that is what we are doing. Is it going to be efficient enough? No, but you guys have to put in the other efforts. Who knows? Topic the Northeast environment situation issues the big picture it is very good, So anyway, so yeah, so siga black carbon article so kamaina I'll ask you a question, this one black carbon Northeast rainfall pattern climate change khoina black carbon ga mai le na khoina asagi article am lay protected areas ki matang da ko si matang da ko ada khoina topic am yaram me ko so si question je eu ko si question je eu ko the 30 by 30 the 30 by 30 plan ko of post 2020 is associated with A, the climate change, B, the biodiversity, C, the okay, A, the climate change, biodiversity, C, the pollution, D, the none of the above. Okay, have a shot. I think I have covered this one in one of the previous classes. UPSC to with no, sir, I network is stable with okay. Becker, okay. Chẳng bây giờ thì diện giờ đi diện cái mà tôi không thích cái tôi thì ok 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 answer in này lên ha okay Catherine Sonia Devrani Christina biodiversity yeah so there is this concept of 30 by 30 plan post 2020 okay it is associated with global biodiversity framework okay global biodiversity framework okay it is simple kay no 30 by 30 hai je ko 30 by 30 hai je kay no ha matam jida 30% of land and Canada art ki land and sea area se ko art ki land and sea area se ko hoina ensure to wo hoina ko saving da ko hadi by 2030 ko so na 30% of lands and seas area se ko like biodiversity conserve to ngo ko ensure to by 2030 da ko sigi pochine ko so na sida ka shiyaw de biodiversity gi ko na latest ngarang gi COP 15 gi coming aduga sagi Montreal gi Montreal gi framework to aduda ko na focus to ni ko sigi je ko na kem tiaw de sigi je ko ni yaw is ke na ha matam sida protected areas ko eastern himalayan biodiversity gi da region ji de leiba protected areas ko 36% of it magi areas 36% of it are vulnerable to climate change nam yawi ko so that's it the article di kai kamina vulnerable or rainfall pattern the torpa biodiversity loss torpa climate change the gi ngai Canada animal map sip to bokot pa dang ni do ko there is this yamna hena the khangjilu bai ta ka ide ko but exam gi na di 30 by 30 plan ja adu lokto pi ay ko so similar ko next the question am is si ju am hang pa important ba hang pa question ni ko so see question ji ko the golden langur whose natural habitat is India and Bhutan is found in which state of India the golden langur whose natural habitat is India and Bhutan is found in which state of India A the Sikkim B the Arunachal Pradesh C the Assam D the none of the above okay what is nay is that okay yeah so they have written a nice article on golden langur okay golden langur man the nujam nushi ko masak to u ko langur je da kha pa me monkey de langur na pa me da ko ai kana dehadun do yam lei hata langur je ko adedi kana da Delhi da di sum par la ko Delhi da yong kamai control to ge langur na control to yo ko hadi langur u je le yong man je ko mai na chaw ne ko So na yeah, so golden language wild the 8,000 species kitang ngai ko. So na magi spread si kaino Assam gi ngasai Bhutan ga thangnaba Assam gi area du oyebo ko. Adu magi unique oiba national park natraga wildlife sanctuary ke kadi leite magi just spread to the nebo ko. Adu gi spread to the khoina kedo ge ha matam sida khoina biodiversity threat natraga biodiversity lost obiaba factors me am introduced to ko. So number one important factor is the fragmentation of biodiversity ko. So aina Bhutan Assam samna lai ngai gi mafam jida khoina fragmentation of biodiversity hai ta si lambi ma sajin matam da sigi side chiga tongan oi gi ko ecotone species tolokani a species tolokani hana plop lejer biodiversity do. So na si hana akhina fragmentation to dinality complete over biodiversity ni. So na food chain food web fazan lai ko. Once you have put this one sigi tongan organic na biodiversity fragmentation na koina biodiversity koina handa hali hai ko. So na language am na yamdre aduga you can even check masagi IUCN gi list tak ma ka maina karamba oino na critically endangered oira critically endangered oira natraga just endangered oira ko something like that. Okay, golden language matang da. So while the 8,000 mukta ngai re aduga magi spread si India ga Bhutan gi do oi India gi states na Assam do oi ko. So adu matang di even ko. So aduga atai di ma ka maina safeguard tong ni khot kani adai di koina maung the threat lay use kamai oina khot ino aduga atopa masagi koina Bhutan gi side gi ke tong na bia khot mi na bia adu even ko adu yamna kan ka hen khangil weda ka oi. But I thought this was an the golden language special, so I thought it wasn't it would make a good question. Okay, sis ana no hang hayang para ko matam di para para ko ko hay dana si question same give context to adu do kai de no have the yango ko ana no to ni 2020 21 2022 the labor environmental issues and crisis bam do no to ni ko na ko adu si next topic si de ko na akoina yamna kana discuss tawdsu ya hengwai akoina economy to matam torkni. Next topic sidi kaino ha matam sida oil palm plantation or expansion in Northeast ko si da koina khangdo mam le ko khangdo si kaino ha matam sida ya oil palm si economy de haroga India gi foreign reserve chatlizi koina oil palm export to wudani oil palm si yamna necessary oi from kitchen items te na ngasai gi koina bakery items sa ko. So nang chai ba choco pie ke ka oil palm no yawni ko ai nang chai ba cake nung ke ka kitang hawba oil palm yawngani ko. So si ko ana oil palm je koina Indonesia natraga koina ngasai gi mo gi Southeast Asian countries te koina yam tina export to wi aduga export to wi kai do ha matam ja ko gi foreign reserve se koina drain to ebo ko aduga ko gi ngasai gi balance of payments natraga trade deficit ke ka tin henga dan bo ebo ko. So na India the oil palm tha do ya je je hadi lakpa kuidri hai tare ko export item handa na ko adu. But akoina oil palm ji akoina why it is in the news ko hadi government side gi yam kan push to wi even ngasai gi oil palm gi ngasai gi magi kano ma mission na semaga ko opom popom hybra ma semaga adu noi torkini ko adu mem da sema kanda push to wi hanadi North East torom de but hujikti akoina North East state ta tore ko hadi oil palm gi expansion je ko ana environmentalist mem na they have raised an alarm regarding this oil palm plantation. Okay, so they have shown what is happening in the oil palm plantation to countries ma'am the Indonesia Thailand ma'am the kari torige moina kamaina environmentally destructive kamaina ising plus soil kamaina chupthoi aduga biodiversity kamaina handle moina prove to pot ne kamba. So adugi pot to koina India government ta natraga Northeast state government ma'am the remind to no hotna ne ko oil palm plantations na asagi environmental degradation kyam to honbe ai ma thana be damakta koina forest clearance to doni forest hana lejerami forest di biodiversity risk oiba asagi natural forest ni oil palm gizidi number of trees manaja targa ju kathiba hadi biodiversity yaw de kote na ngasagi research mayam to webo. So si je khoina munne yengi ne ko government ki side gi kam schemes and programs like oil palm je push to wa aduga environmental side gi kari ngasagi khoina red sign ke li have ko. So na si gi de khoina question kam semninga yaudi huziki oina di so na we'll keep it like that. But notice the top issues mayam gi marakta environmental issues mayam gi marakta biodiversity climate change adagidi flood disaster management mayam gi marak sida asagi oil palm ki plantation si ju am important ne ko. So aduga next topic any kita ngare ya to topic am to de aduga si question je yo si question I think this one was asked in the UPSC prelims also. Okay, this one is going to be easy. The is found in which state of the Northeast? Yeah. A the Mizoram, B the Meghalaya, C the Nagaland, D the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Give a shot. You know, this was asked in UPSC also. Yeah. So this one is quite easy. The living root bridge ecosystem. Sige detail thangay target magi documentary documentary it is kind of a it is see article the power it was not a negative article adu the destruction to record have negative article nate. It was a nice article hadi living root bridge see kamaina sage have so naman haji kaina it is a combination of community indigenous labor community ko thain to tradition ama plus nasagi fig root hoina sariba kano je nasagi hoina sigi sariba root bridge sariba tree je banyan tree ka banyan tree je fig tree chingba khangde but fig tree species ne ko aduga fig trees ma'am je hadi aerial root labor fig tree species ne ko adugi species ya nasai kana oigi ha matam sida pollinators ma'am jiga pulla kanda combination je pulla kanda nasai koina living root bridge over the stream ke kaje sai ne ko it was nice article you know had a unique world I think it is the only one I think so then ke doni khambra fig trees aerial root over fig trees ma'am ja nasai magi hingnaba pochi kamai oram ge ha matam sida important unique pollinators ma'am oram without these pollinators they are going to die so now pollinators ka market or fig trees is same that comes the human community local indigenous community since the past moina direction to piraga nasai akoina stream gumba river gumba na saina sabo ilem so it was not natural but nasai sabo khotpa akoina mafam sabo khotpa didi nasai akoina man made human indigenous community ma'am na tawne ko aduga nasai magi root saina thokchaba khochaba the tree to combine hingino how do nasai environment and natural oil so it was it was an interesting article I thoroughly enjoyed it so aduna I thought I should ask this Canada living root based ecosystem it is a probable Manipuri MPSC question okay UPSC the hungry but it was so easy that everyone got answer okay so this is last topic for today okay but I think this one is a little going to be a little bit difficult for you to see questions so see topics we are going to write a question see if you can do it okay ini questions question number 7 yeah yeah the state of Northeast which is considered as the is A Manipur, B Sikkim, C Arunachal Pradesh, D Meghalaya. Okay, you can try this. The state of Northeast, the state of Northeast, which is considered as the orchid paradise of India. So, give it a shot. Khang the DNA tharo. Okay, so everyone is so good, you know, in the environment. Okay, Suras, nang energy kawain thai, you know, try to hold trouble. Like Paul, ne cover them yaw put in say. I will think. What I call the call it is there. Okay, so the answer is correct, you know. So our classes classes they are doing so good. Okay, so see is so when Arunachal ne. So can anyone name Arunachal Pradesh labor protected areas only for the orchid. Can anyone name that orchid? Canada protected areas ki sanctuary maming do hai bangambra? This article is written on that one, okay? This article is written on that one, okay? So the state of Northeast is considered as the orchid paradise of India, Arunachal Pradesh. Ni karigino hai matam jida something like, you know, like 200 like 600 something ka 600 plus orchid varieties se sida phangmani ka aduga sigi when high protected area sanctuaries da something like 236 orchid varieties e phangni ko so na orchid na to eba ko sigi ka so na sigi orchid sanctuaries e kaina ha matam si ningjango aduga even look it into the kind of map or natural pradesh ki map ta kadai lege na if there is a river which is passing through this orchid, if there is a lake nearby, UPSC is important. UPSC direction hang deba ko. Adu koir hang ne ko. But MPSC di am line hang kani ko. See, Sesa Orchid Sanctuary ko. Sesa Orchid Sanctuary ko. West Kameng District of Arunachal Pradesh ko. See, Sesa Orchid sanctuaries ko. So 1989 da notified to wani as a protected areas aduga 236 orchid varieties howe hai ka. So see ka in the news they are kaina ha matam sida asigi sanctuary sida koina Arunachal highway gi nasagi koina biodiversity kana je fragmentation to ko Arunachal highway na sigi orchid sida koina ka aga fawo ko. So adugi nasagi orchid ki sanctuary je koina biodiversity fragmentation da tore hainako amai lowe ko series aduga series da kitang interesting report am yawi this Sesa Orchid Sanctuary used to be the only one of its kind until recently habidi amaju thokre ko orchid sanctuary natrago national park or sanctuary ko this one you have to find it and you have to please share it in the group, okay? That he get only but no tea again so aduna habidi kaino Sesa Orchid Sanctuary is used to be the only kind of sanctuary protected areas dedicated for the orchids, right? Until recently have the either it could be sanctuary or it could be national park, okay? They get dedicated to the orchid. So no what is this name, location, state to kaino aduga karma chahida notified this one you have to find, okay? So yeah, this is the things which I want to discuss today. So this is the first part, and tomorrow we are going to continue what are the environmental issues and crises and topics for 2021 to 2022 that have happened in Northeast India. Okay, so blind the pavanate, you have a context there. Sitori ma'am say, oh, handaki 2021 then 2022 box the Tokiwa the Northeast the environmental issues ma'am niko. Adu kai topic yawi MPSC. So we are going to do this one, okay? And tomorrow I'm going to complete it, okay? So it's like so many articles is there, but I don't need to Canada exam oriented or exam local so so context big picture structure it's going to help you a lot, okay? At last environment so anyway, this is the basics mi ma'am do kamra satra ma'am do basics because we are going to do it, okay? The ingba nong tawa thabak laiba ma'am pasan ko. I tapo biding but I will be exhausted completely, okay? Yeah. So this is it for today's class, right? Okay. Yeah. Thank you and good night, right? Bye.